We make jam, loads and loads of jam and preserves. And I've got a couple here. This is raspberry and gooseberry jam. And this is, cherry and gooseberry jelly. And we've got a mountain of this stuff to use up. We do make far too much of it. So, what we're going to do is make some jam tarts. And these are dead easy to make. All you need, a baking tray with the cup shapes in, your jam obviously, a round cutter, and some short crust pastry. And we're going to start by rolling this out. So once it's rolled out, that's what you need the cutter for, to make the individual rounds. Then place them in the cups on the baking tray. Just press them down gently. We've got 2 trays made up, so I'm going to add the jam, in this case the jelly. This is the cherry and gooseberry jelly. Now you don't want to put too much into each cup because it'll inevitably boil over and you'll be scraping burnt jam from the bottom of your oven for weeks to come. So it's a bit sticky. It's I'm going to have to use my fingers, right, that's rather naughty. But if you put the right amount in, then it shouldn't boil over. But you've got to remember, jam is 50% sugar. So if it burns, then it really does burn. So keep your oven clean and just don't overdo it with the jam. So on the right, you've got gooseberry jelly, gooseberry and cherry jelly, and on the left we have raspberry and gooseberry jam. So these are now ready to go into a preheated oven around about 200 degrees centigrade. So they'll be in the oven for about 15 minutes or until the pastry is golden brown. Right, hot out of the oven. So we'll leave them to cool for a few minutes. There's about 18 minutes in the oven, but we'll let them cool and then start eating them.